Hi guys, welcome back to Cloves Kitchen. On today's episode we're making Dominican chimichurris, not to be confused with the fabulous chimichurri sauce from Argentina. Coming up. To make this Dominican hamburger, the ground beef needs to be 80-20, meaning 80% beef, 20% fat. Let's go over the ingredients. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of cabbage thinly shredded, 1 pound of ground beef, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of adobo, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 small onion thinly sliced. Before we begin, we need to soften the cabbage by soaking it in water and vinegar along with the onion. Now, in a pilon or mortar, we're going to make the most basic sofrito there is, adding the garlic, the oregano, and a pinch of salt. We're going to mash it until it becomes a paste. I am almost done mashing this guy here, and this is what it should look like. There you go. The most basic sofrito there is. To the ground beef, adding the sazon and the sofrito paste. Now with your hands, combine it all in and mix it well. Do not worry about overworking the meat. Grab some of the beef and turn them into beef patties. Try not to make them too thick as they will puff off once they are done cooking. Place your chimichurri burgers over medium-high heat and cook on each side for about 3 to 4 minutes. These guys look to be done on one side. Let's go ahead and flip them and cook the other side. I can smell the garlic and the oregano. It smells amazing. And everybody knows there is no chimichurri without the chimichurri sauce. All you need for the sauce is ketchup and mayo. You could do 50% ketchup, 50% mayo. Or you could do more of one than the other. And it doesn't matter. It is your chimichurri, you make it the way you like it. Give it a mix until it's nice and smooth. And before we finish putting these chimichurris together, we need to toast the bread. However, we are not using the regular round burger buns. We are using pan de agua. This is typically how chimichurris are made. Let's get the bread nice and toasty. The bread is looking nice and toasty. Let's put these guys together. Can't wait. Now on the bread, spread the chimichurri sauce on each side. Do not be shy. This is what makes the chimichurri great. Place the chimichurri meat in the middle, followed by the softened cabbage and onion. And there you have it, guys. Dominican chimichurris. Let's give it a try. Wow. This is amazing. It's fantastic. Just like I remember. These Dominican chimichurris are so amazing and so easy to make. You can taste the onions, the garlic, the cabbage soaked in vinegar with that hint of vinegar but not too strong. It is just so much flavor bursting into your mouth. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, leave me some comments down below, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.